What's up, guys? It's that time of year again. We're about to do a recap of 2025 and some of the places we went, some of the things that happened on the channel this past year in 2025. So let's take a look at that recap right now. Getting ready to head down to the boot down to Louisiana to a GQ's ride down there.
For some reason I was thinking you were Bogey Biker.
Well, this weather's got me thinking too, because I don't want to get caught in this rain. But the ride down was great. I love the ride down. The ride was smooth.
What's up, man?
Good to see you, man. Oh, what's going on, man?
Y'all go check out Southern Home. Man, much love, man.
Met Mr. Gadget.
What's up, people?
And would you tell them where we headed today?
We're gonna ride over to Leeds, Alabama, and ride on the Alabama Dragon.
Yeah, the lady, when we went in, the lady tried to stop me. I said, you ain't getting another 20 out of it. That's where he stood.
That's where he stood, $7.90, change the world.
We started out, as you saw, at 3 o'clock this morning. It is 8:10. Hey, tell everybody how much you enjoy the traffic.
Right now, rather not say. Rather not say.
It is crazy.
I'm gonna use the fat nigga.
Made it in here, as I said, late last night. All right, guys, we made it here to Javelina Harley Davidson. What's going on, man? Good to meet you.
Yeah, man, nice to meet you too. Thanks for coming in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. It's been a cluster to start anyway, but 20 years ago I'd have been some man throwing shit, you know, it just is what it is.
Yeah.
We don't let the hard days win.
What's going on, brother? Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, y'all go check them out, man.
Welcome to TV.
What's up, big dog?
So I got a 33-mile range. Tell everybody your name and channel.
Rolling on 2. My name is Alan Frizzell.
Rolling on 2. So y'all go check his channel out.
We look forward to Twisted and Texas 3. I go ride your ride today. Come by the Riverboat Cabins at 6 o'clock. DJ will go live at 7, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks again. Don't let the hard days win. See you next time.
Going back to the bike here, I see Mr. Clutch C.
Let's see, baby.
Tell everybody the name of your channel.
Hey, man, sliding on twos, man. Come check it out.
Slide.
They call me Deke. I'm from Port Arthur, Texas, and that's my little baby right there, you know, the red road guy.
That's why I got a 360 camera now. But when I went to run to the hills, I didn't have anything to show where I was, and it was beautiful. And I, kept looking at it. I was like, man, I wish I could just show this to everyone. And it's like, got me a camera now, I can show it.
All right, it's gonna get dark on us. We're gonna probably hit some rain. Gonna get colder, so we'll check in with you guys at the hacienda. All right, hope you guys enjoyed looking back at 2025 and what happened on the channel. And I just want to take this chance to tell everybody I appreciate everybody that has tuned in to the channel this past year. All the subscribers, everybody that has subscribed to the channel, man, I really appreciate it. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. Definitely wouldn't be toting this camera around all the time as much as I do. But thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Said even if you just stop by every once in a while to check in with the channel, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. You guys stick around, see what's coming for 2026. Hope to see some of you out there on the road. So thank you guys for watching. Y'all stay safe out there, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.